And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejika Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejika Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejika Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejigan. And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejigan Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejigan Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwejigan Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani All right. Well, hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is NANABOOZHOO. So please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Oh, hey everybody, how you doing? So yeah, it's nice to be back on the show. We just got back from Virginia, from the range, and I just wanted to send a special miigwech to all the wonderful ladies at the Virginia Public Library and their book lovers tea. Oh, I felt just like a celebrity, didn't you, sweetie?
Yeah, I know, huh?
And so, yeah, so miigwech, everyone. That was really fun, and I can't wait to come back someday. And today, you know, for our Ojibwe word of the day, let's make it ni miigwechi wendam.
Oh, that's a good one.
Ni miigwechi wendam. I'm grateful. Miigwechi wendam. You know, thank you is in there, miigwech. Ni miigwechi wendam. I am thankful. I am grateful. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. All right. You want to add anything here, sweetie?
No, not really.
Do you want to tell them about Patreon and that? We got bills to pay.
Oh, yeah. Hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, you can always sign up on Patreon and support us monthly, and you get a gift. Or we have a PayPal account. You can always leave us a tip. Leave a little coin on the guitar case on the side of the road. Or, you know, you can always order some books. Michael Lyons has some Ojibwe language children's books for sale on Amazon. All right, enough sales. Okay, well, hey, I just want to say thank you for watching. Miigwech, Ganawabi Egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa.